Hello programmers, welcome to our tutorials. I hope you and your family are safe and healthy. So here I come up with the second video on Python, which is about the Python installation in our Windows operating system and also installation of Visual Studio Code. So we can write the Python programs in Python IDLE, and also we can use the Visual Studio Code to write the Python code and execute it. So basically, most of the projects uses Visual Studio Code. I'm used to work with Visual Studio Code for my projects developing. So to install this Python IDLE, we have to let's go to the Chrome and search for Python download. So we have to go to the first website, which is, you can see the URL www.python.org. That means it is a main website, main actual website of the Python. So go to this website, and it is showing like latest version is 3.9. So basically 3.7 is the standardized version most of the people using. So we can go with the latest version. So let's click on the download. So next, we have to select the Windows. That is, if you have the 32-bit, select for that, go with the 32-bit, and if most of us are using 64, I guess. So let's click on this Windows installer 64-bit and select the path where you have to give it's better to create a separate folder. So that you can easily organize the application and its related files. So it is downloaded very quickly. Let's click on this execution file and click on the run. Next, here it is showing where we have to install. So, and one more thing we have to remember, we have to give this add python 3.92 path. We have to check this box because later I will explain why it is mandatory or useful point. So you can click on select, you can click on install now. Next, go with the yes. We're done with the setup. Now let's check the IDLE. So now this is called Python IDLE shell, where we can write the syntaxes or Python code. Actually, we cannot write code here because it is IDLE. If we want to create one module or a file, you just have to click on Ctrl N. So it will create a new file, or else we can click on file and go to new file. So it will create a file, and here we can write the code and we can store the code. So in the coming sessions I will give you the I will explain about this file creation and execution of this. So this is IDLE. So for example, if we want to print a statement, we can just simply write print and whatever we want. So for example, I am writing para tutorials. So that's it. Python is working in this laptop. This means so we can also I think you can remember, you can recall that, right? I have checked one box. What is the purpose of that checkbox means? So you can go to the command prompt and check the version of the Python. If you won't select the checkbox, so this, it will give an error like the Python the system don't have Python, like that error. So with that checkbox, we can use Python in complete OS, not only in the IDLE. We can use in another application. So for example, as I'm saying, we are going to install VS Code, right? So using that VS Code, we can run the Python code. So for that, we need to give the Python as a path for other applications also. That is the purpose of this checkbox. And now we are done with the Python installation. Next, now let's install Visual Studio Code. So for that, type the VS Code download and go to the first one, and if you, based on your operating system, install the suitable one for your laptop, and it will give us the link. We have to set up the path where we have to install. So for this also I'm creating a folder because it is another application, right? So select the folder, click on save. It will download the VS Code. Yeah, the download process completed. Let's go to the folder and run this execution file .exe file. So click on run button. Now accept the agreement. We should accept the every application agreement. That's a mandatory. We cannot reject, otherwise we cannot use this application. So give the path. So let's give the path. But just now we have created one folder, right? So I'm searching for that. It is in D folder VS Code, right? Click on next, and create a desktop icon so that we can easily open the application from the desktop. Install. So it will take a while. It will also take a while to install the all files. So I will back after completing the step process. Click on finish. So we are opening the VS Code. Yeah, this is the Visual Studio Code opened. So here we have to select the folder. Here the folder is that basically we use it to open the project in the folder, and we can open any file or we can create new file from here. And, I will explain more in detail while using the Python files in the coming sessions. Yep, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe for more interesting content on Python and AWS. So please share this video with your friends, and if you like the video, please click on the like button, and yeah, stay safe. Thank you. Bye bye.